Hello. Hi. How are ya? It's me. It's Rhonda of Rhonda Said. I know it's been a minute. I've been away for a while. I've had some surgery, had some stuff going on, but I'm back with my Boxycharm Premium. Yeah, it's a premium. I'm really looking forward to this. This is a $39.99 box. I get it monthly. Let's see what we have in store for us today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. We have some paper. Ooh. And we have, it says Boxy Spring Revival. And it is written very small on the card, so I will have to use my glasses. Very nice, very nice. And this is what we have in here. The first thing we have is from Natasha Denona. And it is the Cupid Cheek Duo. Ooh, it's really beautiful. That is gorgeous. And that looks like a cream and a highlight, a cream blush. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or put it on Mercari because I don't usually use cream blushes. But that is $42. And it's a perfect pairing of iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on-the-go glow. $42, like I said, and I'm going to keep track of how much this box is worth. I'm going to hand it in to calculator. Then we have from Herbivore a Boxycharm. And this is a retinol alternative smoothing serum. And it is a naturally derived plant-based serum. Ooh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful glass bottle. Look how gorgeous that color is. And it says it smooths the appearance of lines and wrinkles and visibly cites signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most skin types. Boxycharm supports surface cell turnover with its retinotic effect. $54. So we're off to a pretty good start there. Next we have from Mitchell and Peach, English something. Let's see. English leaf body oil. Blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. $68. That's expensive for a body oil. Let's get in here and see what it's all about. Take a sniff. I don't use a lot of body oils. I like dry oils. It's a nice heavy glass bottle. It's kind of got a light scent to it. It smells kind of herbaceous. Like it's got herbs and such. Some leafy things. All right, that's a big bottle of oil. Then we have My Beauty Brand by me. It's a black liquid eyeliner. Who doesn't need one of those? And it's your new holy grail product created for eyeliner expert and winged eye novice. The flexible felt tip combined with highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting, intensified, defined look. $20. Let's take a peekaboo. I don't have any nails on. I haven't been to get my nails done since I've been out of the hospital. Take a gander at this, and it's got a nice felt tip. So that's nice, 20 bucks. Then we have from Dr. Brandt eye cream, and this is for wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. And this is an eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. $82. That's insane. And that's a good size eye cream too. And Dr. Brandt is good quality stuff, so I wouldn't pay $82. But if it's in a box, what the hell? And we have one thing left, and it's from Endota Organics. It's a hydrating lip balm. And there's a lot to say about, they have a lot to say about this lip balm. It's like a little tube. It's got a little angled applicator. And this is $25. All right, it says protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm. It's packed with super hydrating ingredients with gorgeous glossy finish. This hydrating balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips, protect your skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious, while cooling peppermint oil provides a hint of freshness. The versatile balm can also be used to help restore moisture to cuticles and areas that regularly experience dryness. So this is a pretty skincare heavy box, which I'm disappointed with. I got two makeup things. I got the cheek palette and the eyeliner, and then I've got a lip balm, an eye cream, a body oil, and a faux retinol kind of serum. But the value is $291. So for $39, that's definitely, the money value is there. But I'm just getting tired of all the skincare, because you can only have so much skincare and only have so many friends to give it to. So I'm still going to say this is worth the money, but I'm just getting tired of skincare. Boxycharm. If you're listening to the little Rhonda here on Rhonda Said, that's my 2 cents. But that is it. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time, which will be hopefully real soon. Bye.